Welcome to this presentation on mass movement hazard and exposure in the Himalaya. This research was conducted by author and published in 2023. Today, we will explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. The Himalayan region, shaped by the collision of the Eurasian and Indian plates, is characterized by continuous stress, brittle zones, hilly terrain, high seismic activity, and recurrent extreme precipitation, leading to a high sensitivity to mass movements. These events, such as rock and ice avalanches and landslides, pose significant threats to life and livelihoods, with over 10,000 casualties reported in the last decade. This study employed a two-step methodology to assess mass movement exposure in the Karakoram Himalaya (HKKH). First step involved determining mass movement trajectories by considering fundamental topographical components and slope characteristics. Ashim digital elevation model V3 830-meter resolution was used. Pixels with slopes greater than 30 degrees were identified as sensitive. The Karakoram region exhibits the highest density of potential mass movements, followed by the central Himalaya (CH). Buildings and roadways show the highest exposure in K, while CH has the highest exposed waterways. Hotspots for exposed roadways are identified in Nepal, North Indian states Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, and China as Sichuan province. Central Himalaya has the highest population exposure to mass movements, both currently and in projected future scenarios. The study highlights the significant exposure of infrastructure, waterways, and population to mass movements across the HKKH region. Methodology, while employing a simplified approach, provides a first-order assessment that identifies potential hotspots. Results indicate that topographical factors, particularly slope steepness, and the distribution of human settlements and infrastructure play crucial roles in determining exposure. This assessment reveals that the Karakoram region faces the highest density of mass movements, posing substantial risks to buildings and roadways. Central Himalaya exhibits the greatest exposure of waterways and the highest current and future population exposure to mass movements. Eastern Himalaya is currently most sensitive to headward impacts on glacial lakes, but this is projected to shift to Karakoram and Western Himalaya in the future.